Today, I adopted a human. It broke my heart to see him so lonely and confused. Suddenly, I got his teary eyes to meet mine. Now, I don't like the smell of sadness. I wanted to jump on him so bad. He spoke to me with cuteness, and I knew it. I had to rescue him. That human needs me. So I barked with all my strength. I followed him blocks and blocks. I got close. I could smell his hands. The human smiled for an instant, and when he took me in his arms, I started to feel his ice cream heart warming. I approached his cheeks and felt a tear roll on them. I looked at him deeply, and his response was a brilliant smile. I jumped excitedly into his arms. I promised to behave, love him forever, and never part his side. How lucky he was to go through that block, down that street, and I feel lucky too. There were so many people walking around, and no one was looking at me. No one. They were all worried, all about their troubles. Glad no one else chose me. Today, I saved a life. Today, I adopted a human.